Welcome back to a Cardano video. So Cardano ADA today, well, we are up by 9%. It might not sound like the largest gain, but it is significant and it is notable, especially after the week that we have had. The past 5 days for Cardano has been very interesting indeed. Ultimately, we have been selling off for the longest time. Obviously, a bit of this sell-off is still coming in to this date here, which was back on the Friday the 23rd. So ultimately, back then we can see that the price has been dropping. Then again, over the weekend, price rising by a very small amount, but not really anything to note. Today, it does make sense that it has risen more because it is, of course, one of the 5 working days when a lot more people are trading. But yes, the price is still up regardless. This is good. So you could be asking yourself, is now the time to buy Cardano and will it continue to rise? Well, guys, nobody knows for sure, and I am not a financial advisor, but we can look at how it has been moving previously to get a bit of a forecast on what could happen going forwards. So if you might enjoy that, if you want to hear my opinions, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. That is all I ask for this completely free video. Just like it and subscribe. But yes, let us jump into it, looking at how Cardano has been moving. So for this, we are going to start off on the less technical charts to get a bit of a gauge of what has been going on. Ultimately, the past 6 months for Cardano has seen quite a lot of growth, going from a very cheap coin down here of about 10 cents all the way up to highs of over $1.40. So really, we have seen quite a lot of rising for Cardano's price, but ultimately, basically from those highs until now, we have been down consistently. Now, it does look like it has been picking itself up this week, today so far, which is good, and that does actually mirror quite a lot of the other cryptocurrencies. So here are our top 7 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We can see that Bitcoin today pulling itself back up strong, Ethereum doing a similar thing, BNB very similar as well, XRP just made a massive gain according to the charts. We do have Cardano obviously following this trend as well, Dogecoin doing its own thing, that's completely understandable once more, but yeah, it does tell us what is going on generally speaking in the market. So today has been a big day for cryptos. They have pulled themselves back up, which is good, and it is what we do like to see. Now going forwards, we can have a quick look on this site on Twitter, which is called Lunar Crush. We've looked at it many a time before because they do post interesting information. Now they quote down here are our top 10 cryptocurrency coins by the 1 week social volume, and we can see down here we do actually have Cardano on this list. It places itself middle of the tier, which isn't bad. So again, Cardano had 104.261 social volume, whatever that is gauged by, and we can see that comes at about a quarter of what Ethereum had, or a third of what Ethereum had. However, it definitely is slightly higher than some of the other cryptos. So again, it isn't being searched as much as Dogecoin, SafeMoon, or Bitcoin. That is somewhat understandable, but you know what, it is still being searched by quite a large amount, and it does place itself pretty much middle of the board when it comes to the social volume for the past week, and that is good, and that is okay, and I am happy to see that. So honestly guys, I think that what we are seeing generally speaking in the crypto markets today is a fantastic thing. Will this currency continue to pick itself back up? Well, I do personally believe it is a bit hard to say at the moment because we have only seen 1 day of green, but I think today is a good sign. If we can get a few more days like this or a few more green days on the charts, I would be very happy with Cardano and how it has been moving. We've looked at the fundamentals of this currency before. I do think it is a very interesting coin. I think it has a lot of potential. I think that they name themselves as a 3rd generation cryptocurrency, and they do definitely provide some very unique things which a lot of other cryptos do not have. So as with all cryptos, it does have its benefits and draws. I think it does have potential to be used widespread in the future, and I have said this before, but I think the way that they are developing an ecosystem for their currency definitely could benefit them in the long run. So I think I'm happy that Cardano is up today. Again, if they can continue to be in the green tomorrow, that would be fantastic, and I think it does depend on what the whole crypto market does. So the crypto market today is responding in a good way. Let's keep that going forwards. Thank you for watching this short video. I'll see you soon to report on what happens tomorrow. Goodbye until then.